Hi guys, and today I'm going to give you a slime review of all my slimes. Now one of them is my cousin's, which is this one, the blue container one, but I still wanted to show it to you guys. So let's get started. First one I'm going to start with is this one. So this one is, if I can open it, oh, yep, this is Frog Party, there we go. So, focus on that. Focus! Okay, well, it does not want to focus, but once I take it out, you guys will see. I don't know if you can see the perfect frog color, but it is a frog color. And I called it Party. Looks like a frog color. And then I call it Party because, let me show you. There's glitter in it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's definitely a frog color. And I'm just gonna make a pretty swirl to show you guys. It's very stretchy. It's not so sticky, but yeah. All these slimes I made from a kit called So Slime DIY, and that's probably a horrible swirl. It doesn't even, what? Now it makes pokey sounds, kinda. That was a good one. And when you put it in the container, it farts, so it's like a slurp, but it doesn't feel like slurp. Now this slime feels like normal slime, just regular slime. It doesn't like have anything to do. It just feels like this any kind of slime. It doesn't feel like butter slime. Doesn't feel like jiggly slime. It just feels like a normal slime. Next one is this one, which this one doesn't have any tags, but this one is my cotton candy slime. So, oh my god, these containers are like super hard to open. So, oh, got it. Okay, my cotton candy slime. I called it cotton candy because it looks like cotton candy. So, this is butter slime. And so, I'll show you. It spreads like really good. Like, this is butter slime. Like, let me get a pencil. It spreads really good. So, it feels like butter slime. Everything. It's super stretchy. It's really smooth since I put like so much baby lotion in it. So that's why it's so smooth. So it's really stretchy, like super stretchy. It kind of feels like fluffy, and that is also a medium swirl. I'm not doing so good swirls, but I love this slime because it's so spready. So this is butter slime. So this is my cotton candy slime. Okay, so I'll put that back in the container. This one barely farts because it's butter slime. Oh my god. These containers don't want to open and don't want to close. This is the next one. My cousin's slime. She decorated so much. Like, I'll show you how much she decorated. She started right over here, 100% original. Then she decorated the front. Then decorated the back. Made by, but it says blank, so. It actually does, so I don't know why. But, oh my god, all these containers don't want to open for me. Oh, that one was okay. I don't know what she called this one. Oh my god, it got so rough because no one's been playing with it. Oh my god, it feels like sand is inside it. But this was a butter slime too. Oh my god, it's super sandy now. If you guys can look, there's like holes in it. It's like rough now because no one's been playing with it. So I have to get smoother, but it is butter slime. It's really rippy now too. Because like if you don't play with these slimes in a long time, these certain ones, they get rough. So if you ever get this kit, make sure you play with it almost every day. So it's very rough. It's not making any good swirls. But it's not really spreading anymore because how rough it is. It just feels like you put sand in it and then tried to take it out, but it didn't work. And then you left it in there for like a month, and now it's all rough because of the sand. That's what it feels like. Just imagine it. So this is bad slime. It used to be like really smooth, as like even more smoother than mine, but now it's like super rough. Next time she comes over here, she's going to kill me. She's going to think I ruined it, but she doesn't know that they do that. Oh, oh my god, it hurts so much. Oh my god. I think because I need some gas out for sure. There we go. So there were all my slimes, plus my cousin's slime. So, if you want to see some more slime reviews, let me know in the comments. Although I have no more slimes, so I'm going to slime review nothing. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.